10th class from Idea School. First of all, I would like to show my special gratitude to Ideas for Entrepreneurial Development, which provide me this golden opportunity to speak among group like your friend. Today I am going to give my presentation on IAS examination. For all those aspirants who want to become IAS, my today's presentation will be milestone from them. Now I am going to begin my presentation on IAS examination. IAS, State of Indian Administrative Service. It is an examination which is conducted by UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. There are 3 stages in IAS examination. First one is preliminary, second one is mains examination, and third one is interview test. Let's start with first one is preliminary examination. There are 2 papers in preliminary examination. There are general study and CSAT, civil service aptitude test. In general study, the duration of this examination is 2 hours and 100 questions come in this examination. Each question consists of 2 marks. All questions are objective type. 0.6 is the negative mark in each correct answer we require to clear your concept, so that chance of mistake is very less. Friend, now I am going to talk about second paper, that is CSAT. The duration of this examination is 2 hours and 80 questions come in this examination. Each question consists of 2 marks and minus mark in 0.83. All questions are objective type. The preliminary examination is qualifying exam. ETC marks are not added in merit of IAS. That's all about preliminary examination. Now I am going to talk about second stage of IAS examination, that is mains examination. Dear audience, the candidate who qualified prelims, only that candidate can give the mains examination. The mains examination consisting of 9 papers. The time duration of each examination is 3 hours and marks of each paper is 215 marks. Except qualifying paper, it is of 300 marks. Among 9 paper, qualifying paper marks is not added in mains exam, but it is compulsory to qualify. Friend, now I would like to talk in detail about each mains paper. First paper consists of compulsory language. Second paper consists of English paper. This 2 paper is qualifying paper. Now come to the third paper, that is essay writing. It is of 215 marks. The fourth paper consists of general study 1 in this paper. History, geography, culture, Indian heritage. Now let's move on the fifth paper. It is consisting of general study 2. Comprehension, interprofessional skill, logical and analytical reasoning, decision making, general mental ability, etc. come. Now come to the sixth paper. This paper is consisting of general study 3rd in this paper. Economic development, technology, biodiversity, disaster management related question come. Friend, now I am going to talk about seventh paper, that is general study 4. In this paper, ethics and human interface, attitude, foundational value of citizens, code of conduct of governmental related question come. That's all about 7th paper. Now I am going to talk about 8 and 9 paper. 8 and 9 paper consist of general optional subject. It depends on candidate which subject they select in graduation. Accordingly, they have to choose optional subject. That's all about mains examination. Friend, now I am going to talk about third stage of IAS exam, that is interview test. Candidates who qualify IAS mains exam, only that candidate can give the interview. There is a discussion around 20 minutes where a wide range of topics is covered in interview. Confidence, soft skill and relevant preparation make it well. The total number of mains examination is 1,715 marks and interview test 275 marks. Included both will be 2025 marks. That's all about IAS examination. At last, I would like to thank all of you for giving your valuable time in IAS. Thank you very much.